All right, welcome back. Yes, the house is full. Our Ibrahim is in the house. Also, we get Temi Dayo AKJ in the house, and we get her husband, Chooks AKJ in the house. All right, and moving on, we tell you, say when we come back, we'll go handle this particular story of the man where he kill him mama. All because to Ram, him mama na witch. He said, God tell us, say him mama na witch. Now, the 149 years old Californian USA man will be sheltering Eugene Bradley. They don't arrest him and they don't charge him for killing his 73 years old mother, will be Rosie Manuel, and attempting to bake her body parts for inside oven. Because God tell him, say, she na witch, and he get defined instruction to kill all witches. Now, they say they arrest him a day after his brother called the police to report, say, they don't see their mama unresponsive from inside her home. Now, the victim, they find her dead with her upper, everything about her, the man don't they chop him. They don't they chop everything about his mama from top to bottom. Now, according to police investigation, Bradley talks, say, God don't tell him, say, his mama na witch. And God don't command them, make him kill and burn all witches. He admits, say, he strangled his mama and attempt to place her inside the kitchen oven before he run come up from the scene. Now they ask another this question. What do you go do if person, because this is not the first time I hear stories like this. Sometimes if you check them very well, you go see say person don't tell them say your man a witch. Yes. If you check them very well. So what do you go do if religious leader come meet you, tell you say your mama na witch, now she they block your destiny. What do you go do?
Now to pray now, not be to keep person. Who are you to take matters in your own hand? If God can, if small David kill Goliath when we study for Bible, who are you to say go? You don't get to get right chance say you go put person matter for your head say you go kill him. Make it be carry your load, go walk out to another corner, go they live your life. If you more even say you cut ties with them, you cut ties with them. You don't reach that kind of thing I beg. I not in support.
Chooks, I beg, what do you think?
You see, well, now two things now they think here. Maybe first the man they insane to start with. Because God no fits. Wait, in a pastor?
No,
in a prophet.
No.
So God tell him make clean man come bake him. Shoe.
And he can't run. If now God tell him why he run come out myself. He can't run come off conflict.
You see, it just be like person who then tell say your man soup no sweet. You two can't agree.
Say
it no sweet. Say make throw am. You know, if God tell him say make the key with you you can't kill. No, it's wrong. It's wrong. The man not do well. I believe say me then go check in head. Yeah, me then check in head. Because then live like that, if you take, go say your partner na wizard. Go say his sister na small witch. Till go finish in family.
Kill everybody.
And you understand? So me then work on the man's head. That's to start with.
They can't tell you say your mama na witch wetin you for do.
Jamie. Then tell me say my man na witch. I go call him and say, ma, sit down. She be to witch. I go ask him.
Question.
I go ask him, say, why she take born me? So he born me to suffer me, to the witchcraft me. She understand? I go make sure, say, that witch, now talk and prayer, I go take come out from body. I feel not wrong, no, because Bible talk, say, the weapon of our warfare are not carnal. We do not wrestle against principalities and powers. You understand? You understand?
Yes.
So even if you go to Jamaica, which still fit come meet you there.
I tell you. So what do you think?
Now to face am more.
Wetin I think be say the man no get right. I go with wetin my husband talk.
Confirm.
Say he no dey in the right sense. Say, and again, he no see things wey confirm that word. Say him mama be witch. Wetin be the signs wey he don see to prove and say na true wetin the pastor tell am. He get wetin the mama do am or things wey don happen to him life wey he take confirm and say na him mama do these things wey make am decide to kill him mama.
Wow.
So if you call them tell you say your mama witch, wetin you go be your own reaction?
I go tell them say I don hear. I go just dey pray to God.
Correct.
Say make God change am if na which she be. Because na my mama.
Abio. I'm not going to talk to me on top this matter because a lot of people they happen everywhere. I don't hear them plenty times, but this man owns the bill. I say just take them too extreme.
Exactly.
To the fact say go say one bake the mama. If person tells your man, with the first thing to do like everything most of us don't talk now. Either you pray or you call your mama down and sit down. But I don't believe say witch go tell you say yes, I be witch. So even if you ask her, she no go if you give you an answer. But at the same time, you know reach to kill him. Even if she go die, but maybe say no be you use your hand kill her.
Yes.
Make God doing work.
I tell you, this one just make me remember one personal experience where I get. You get one time, you know how they be when people come to tell you, especially when your younger sister don't marry, everybody for your family don't marry now.
When you go marry now?
When you go marry, Uwi, you are the finest in your family. When you go marry. Now, so person come meet me one day say, Uwi, I think there's one spiritual thing about that is actually following you. That's now why you're fine. You have a heart of gold. You are this and that. I feel you need to go meet your parents. Ask them waiting happen.
What did they do?
My sister, at that time, I got her the thinker. That's why they say no accommodate any negative thoughts at all. No accommodate them at all. At that time, I call the thinker. I say, that's true. Hey, see, they say before 30, you never marry. This one don't marry. Now to call my parents and say, Mommy, I beg. See me, now to call them. I say, I call Mommy. I say, Mommy, I beg. Tell me, what happened when I born me? Anything happen? Now Mommy say, what is happening? I say, see what they tell me. He said, nothing. I had a normal delivery. I gave birth to you. In short, you were bouncing. When you came out, everybody say, hey, thank God, and things like that. Hey, now I called that. They said, Daddy, I beg. You took your hand inside. My sister. That's why I say, no accommodate anything. Then my爸say, nothing. Just that it take time for you to come. And the BT say, when you come outside. And later you actually come outside, blah, 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 blah. Now later I come sit down, they ask myself, say, are you not stupid? Why you accommodate such thoughts inside your head? The person tell you, say you need to go ask your parents how to take born you. That's not why you never actually marry. Why they actually accept that kind of thought? Since then, I just cut ties with the person. I stopped to communicate with the person because someone like that will make you start to think about something.
Hypertension, BP and the rest.
Now looking at this man, your mother is 73 years old. She never killed you. Since when you be baby, till when she be 73 years old. Now she go come kill you. When you will come to say your mama na witch. I don't hear a lot of people when come outside talk say, pastor, religious leader tell me say my mama na witch. So I don't cut ties with my mama. No way. I would never ever go close to my mother anymore.
Even those ones where they get some where actually they will no be lie. Then now the parents actually do their children. But at the same time, that one actually they know they push them aside. Say day. We know say a day. But because we know say a day, now make me talk and say, no let them linger for your head.
Into your head.
If you thought you go do anything, what's in prayer day for? You be Christian, you be Muslim, you be anything, it's all a prayer. You go just pray. We not reach me you kill the woman. If you not kill her, okay, but she don't throw one or two more, but say until I die, until as in if I die, that thing no go come out or something like that. Say, hey, you can't kill him.
Until I die, if I go feel succeed.
You don't even see if you succeed. Now me need to use my hand, come out and say, I don't want to make this speaking. So, you can't kill him.
So I will tell you today, person can't tell you, say one of your family member or anybody saying I wish. So I feel said like waiting all of us don't talk. The best thing for you to do now to pray. There's nothing prayer cannot do. There's nothing. For me, there's nothing. I believe in prayer a lot. So there's nothing prayer cannot do. There's nothing prayer cannot change. Cancel them before you start the attack that your family members say, yes, true, say now which you be.
And some of them, may I just try to go left again. Some people, we know some people don't believe in prayer. Some people go feel look us and say, everything, God.
That's true.
Maybe we enter science.
Yeah.
Sit down. Observe.
Yes.
You know bad. If you feel say this woman true to now which you go if you feel you go fit see some kind signs where she go they exhibit. So sit down, take your time, observe your mama. If she sneeze and maybe from sneezing you go know say this woman now which look am. No, it's true. So don't go say we they talk prayer.
I support you.
Go on other side too. Those of you who don't believe in prayer, enter that side.
Yeah.
Observe. Simple.
All right, you don't hear him. You don't hear him from Amaka voice. You don't hear him from all our voices today. Say not accommodate any evil communication at all. So now we get plenty of people who ask you questions. Chooks Ikeji and Temidayo Ikeji. Now this particular one before I will ask a question because I know say I will. But
you don't the boy.
Now this one talk say they had maybe fan. You talk say I go like ask you now. This site so this site will not get the problem. If you actually restore them or not from birth, nine them born now with the blindness.
Okay, my own be say it's not too long. Na story, na something happened when I did small. my mama quarrel with the landlord, blah, 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 like that. So the landlord can say, okay, oh yeah, mark am today, as from today, blind children, now you go to born.
Oh, wow.
So I'm not the only blind person in my house. You understand? So, but I dey Eye Foundation right now. They take treatments, and they take treatments for Eye Foundation. And at the end of the day, I hope and I believe in God that it go work out well.
Okay.
No be say na disease, na in dey there. Doctor talk say I no mature the eyes. I don't know how to mature eyes again. You understand? They say I no mature the sight. You know? So, but then talk say there's something inside from the back. From inside from the back. Where they cause the low vision.
Okay, when you say if you see small.
Yes, I feel see small, faintly. If the thing they very close to me, very close.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay.
But nah.
So just to ask you, that time where the landlord make that statement, they don't born you then, or they never born you?
No, they never born me.
They never born you then?
It's almost 40-something years ago.
Oh. Wow. How many will be from the family?
We'll be 6.
And how many day blind?
3.
3 day blind.
Half, then share them.
Wow. Well, I'm not going to be the
Now, I tell you.
I'm not meet and say, come, wait till be busy.
Now this one is supposed to kill now.
Wow. Okay, I want to ask your wife how your own take be. Now your own not from
my
birth?
own no be from birth. I don dey go school. Na measles. They no dictate them early, no. So they treat me for something else. So before they know it has affected my sight.
And now only you know they
Yes,
see.
now only me, and I be firstborn.
Damn, it is
For
well.
measles, you can imagine. For
Now they here?
Wow.
Can I ask my question now? Can I ask my
Yeah. Awa, that's your
Awa, your
wonderful
question.
That's your wonderful question.
Maybe we set
right
for
after
Awa.
this break, because I want to get one question to ask Chooks and the wife to me that
I go sit down well before I go answer.
So they come back after this break. All right, we still get Chooks and Temidayo EKG inside the house, and then both of them know the sea, and they have been married for like 4 years plus now with one beautiful baby. All right, Awa, you get a question
Before
to ask.
Hawa throw that question,
All right,
Hawa no vex.
Bad belle dey this place, eh? Bad belle dey there, no be small.
I won't ask me that, make the question flow, you know.
All right.
Yeah, flow,
when she
flow,
talk
flow,
says now
flow.
measles cause am. I know some people go down there, they say measles. You they treat as in you still fit get treatment for that measles.
No, for the
eyesight.
to get them back.
So
to get
far,
them
that I've been going for checkup and all that, and doctor never tell me say maybe any treatment dey. But now glasses they don't recommend for me so far. But the glasses where they recommend for me, they say it costs 350,000.
Why not quiet like that?
No. With a listen now.
Okay. So 350,000. They say the glasses go. Your eye go just start to see when you buy
As
the
in,
glasses.
go they enlarge things where they see. You know, say if as this light they on now, it go be like say e low. It dey too low for me. So na so.
Wow, so how far I don't go to get the 350,000?
Well,
It is well.
Okay, Hawa, your question.
My question be this.
Okay, sit down.
No, one trick solve and I go talk put mouth for this matter.
Okay.
You know how people they always say before, say this tribe cannot marry this tribe. They hear your name say na Chooks and Madam name na Temidayo. You know why this is sweet my belly? I be fighter for mixed tribal marriages because me, I get Calabar blood, I get Delta blood, and I get Hausa blood, among others. And my family, they marry anyhow. And I like them because tomorrow, I go respect you, you go respect me, we go learn from each other. So when Tofuna say, I love you, you love me, Yoruba versus Iboya, Olatagu, give us the gist. How it happen? How on a meet?
Oh, she don't give up.
You don't give up. You don't give up.
No,
the question is say, then fight una say na different tribe.
Okay,
my question be that then fight una say no, this tribe, no, this one, culture barrier, that kind of thing.
Then my people no fight actually. They no fight because I really enlighten them. You know, say we don't know each other for years, for 15 years.
Wow.
Over 15 years.
Oh, since 1995.
Women, we sabi calculate too. No
She don't
try.
count am.
She don't count and finish.
So I just tell my people, say, at this place, now my arrow don't point to, and nothing fits command the arrow.
At all.
They support you.
Nothing fit break the arrow. So they support me and say, okay, good. My father, God bless him anyway, is a very simple person. Very simple person. In fact, I never see person very simple, Richard. Tell her something, say that this thing you want. It could just bless you with that thing.
Aya, Auntie Temi, you uncle.
My own too. My father too is a simple person, although my mom is late.
Okay.
So
they no fight now. And this kind of story I like. And now when they say
like,
no work, you work.
so now Igbo person you won't go for. Okay, if that's the person God has chosen for you, you can go for him.
Thank you.
All right, make I ask you this question
My
before we
belly
do our
don't sweet
motivational
now.
quote and better manners. In the marriage, waiting be the biggie one at the face.
For the marriage.
Because I can imagine two challenged people, especially with sides, living together. Waiting with the biggie one at the face in the marriage. And I get people where they support una in the house.
Sometimes, then they come, and of course, then we'll go.
Not true.
They know if we stay forever. One of the greatest behavior they get, or one of the behavior they get, be our pikin. We know if we teach them how to write with the biro, because we know if we see the biro. Do you understand? We know if we teach them, say, oh yeah, write one like this. You understand? If you write them anyhow, we not go know.
The other I get them, I be not
When I
get them.
get them. Do you understand? So that one apart. Another one be. It's not too. I mean, we just did. Okay. We just did, because we are prayerful people. We just did. We no get any very strong problem we would face inside the marriage, because we don't understand ourselves.
Each other. All right, Chooks, make I ask your wife,
Okay.
I want to know how you take the prepare and cook for your husband. If they face challenges for that one too?
No, at all. I know the face challenge in terms of cooking.
So if you on the stove, if you...
At the light stove, I they set the stove, they feels weak. Feel on gas.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Okay,
because we are being trained. Because once we get anything we are strange with, we'll try to learn it first before making use of it.
Okay.
And
Wow.
we'll trace it. We'll feel every part of it.
Wow.
We know where to operate it, where to... Anything that needs connection, we can connect, we can plug. We can go to socket and on the socket.
Amazing. That's how they would say amazing.
Even my husband, they change light, they on generator.
Wow.
So,
Wow.
Nice, nice.
Well, okay, make we just take our motivational quote of the day. He say, it's not how much where you get, but how much you we enjoy that makes us happy. Who talked this one? Charles Spurgeon that actually talked this one. Say, it's not how much where we get, but how much we they enjoy that makes us happy.
I agree with
So
you.
people get money, plenty money, but they are not happy.
that's true.
Yeah, they are not happy. But it's not how much where you get, but how much they enjoy it if it make you happy. Now, better manners of the day. If you see someone will carry plenty load for their hand, it is very good for you to open the door for them.
Yes, or help him.
Help the person take some of the load for the person's hand. And also, if you then enter a building and someone there behind you, not just enter the building, shut the door. You better hold the door for the person where they behind you to enter.
Gentlemen.
And also women. And also women. Not just gentlemen too.
I love you talk.
No.
I said gentlemen.
And also women.
Wow.
All right, let me quickly go read something because I don't say they need to play for us.
Yes.
And Chooks need to say something, right?
Yeah,
You get
you
something
get
to tell
something
us?
we need to sound to our audience.
Okay. Well, what I go talk, they say, make everybody just believe in God. God is the master of everything.
Okay.
And you know, we'll be voice of truth, we get banned. Now, what's now on top, we say, we must speak the truth. No day for Lagos, they send Monego village for mama or papa, made them they please one God. It is absolutely wrong. It is not good for Christian people. Just pick up, find courage in yourself, and you know, God puts courage inside. He dropped a bit of courage and ability to do things. As we did now, there is nothing we cannot do except the way God don't permit us to do.
True.
All right, you don't talk with your wife. Tell me that, yeah?
Well, it is good to be good. The only thing I will say is that try to support and encourage people in any situation you find them or any predicament they are. Just try to encourage them and just know that once there is life, there is hope.
Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you
You
so
know
much.
what I noticed?
One or two tweets.
Later, I just want to quick time notice. This when her husband want to talk with all the energy.
But
When
she's
she want
very
to,
calm. She's a precious woman. All right,
I
one
charge
or two
them collect
tweets.
plenty money from a guy like that.
Yeah, I tell you, at Inekojo, you saw say Jiten has skills and J1 just won't create attention. And the man where kill him, mama, na person will not get sense. Him na also wizard. Now waiting you talk.
Exactly.
Okay, at the had maybe fan you talk say, oh my God, guest couples stroke motivational video today are truly motivating. I'm so touched. Hashtag talk. Thanks a bunch, Chooks Santimita. You say you come inside our studio. But when the album they drop, I just want to be musician.
Yeah. Would they look between September, October? Because
September, October.
Yeah.
All right, play for us before we come up for studio.
But
now.
We dance.
like they always talk. To talk no be bad thing.
But make it
make
play
know
for
what to talk about. Then when we go.
Oh yeah, play for us now.
Carry us out.
Carry us out.
We're going to sing.
Okay.
No, make it sing. I want to
Okay.
enjoy the singing, please.
All right. TV, sister, we dey say Amaka dey say dalu, baba, dalu, baba.
Now hear your wife voice. Your voice must enter. Yeah.
I am.
Put that
And I
voice
said,
inside.
sing. Let's talk. Maybe a voice. Sing. I won't sleep.
Bye. We love you guys. We love you. See you tomorrow. Bye.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.